The crypto market is pumping as predicted, including XRP and a bunch of altcoins. But the question is, what is next? Are we going to keep pumping? Should you take profits here if you guys ended up buying the dip? I made over $75,000 with just spot alone in the buy alerts that I posted in the Patreon. So all of us in the Patreon, we follow my alerts, made a lot of money. What is driving this market? Are we going to reject? Is this a dead cat bounce? In this video, I have so much to share with you, so make sure you guys stick around to the end of this emergency video. Give this video a thumbs up and stick around. You cannot believe what I have in store for you today and what is next. This is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin and cryptos pumped massively today. Look at this recovery. Bitcoin dipped last week and we have since then literally V-shaped recovered and pumped up massively. XRP, look at how much it pumped up to 230. That's incredible. Honestly, the market has pumped up without a single pullback. We also bought this coin, dog with hat. This coin pumped. Dogecoin pumped. I mean, everything pumped massively. The stock market is pumping. Everything is looking incredible. Look at this guy from the buy alerts. This guy's up $350 in profit. This is actually not fake. This is real. This guy today made $28,000 in profit, all through the buy alerts, which are accessible in the Patreon. So if you guys want to have immediate access to following all of my exact trades as a professional crypto day trader, join the Patreon. These were all the trades that we took in my account. So I have $1 million account, but I only put $500,000 onto the trades. By the time I close them out, it's about $75,000 in profits. And this is what I shared with the group. But what is going to happen next? Well, we need to look at the charts. What is going on here? Well, Bitcoin is at key resistance. And so after a strong pump like that, personally, I did sell everything. I took profits. I made a lot of money, over $100,000 in just the past couple of days. When I get a pump like that, I do take profits. So Bitcoin has come to a key level, which if you look and if we zoom out is actually the previous all-time high. So I'm gonna drag this level over here and put it here. This is the previous all-time high. So Bitcoin is finding resistance at the previous all-time high. I'm gonna keep it very simple for you. Whenever Bitcoin breaks and holds above a previous all-time high, that is very, very bullish. And if Bitcoin continues to hold above the previous all-time high, which is around $110,000, that is bullish. You want to be exposed. You want to have altcoins. You want to be exposed to the market. You want to have longs open. You want to be holding XRP and altcoins, including Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin does reject here, forming a lower high, then we could possibly look to go down to support again, which altcoins would pull back. And we are in the summer months, so it's not very normal for cryptos to keep on pumping during the summer months, especially now we are advancing further into the summer. It's now June. What the market will typically do is it'll chop around. It will have these strong pumps, but then retrace, come back down, and then pump up again. So it's really good for trading, but there's not enough liquidity a lot of times during summer months to actually get these crazy expansive moves. Those don't typically happen in the summer. They happen after the summer, after around September, October. That's just like last year when we started to pump like really crazy. That was September, October, November, and all the way into December. That's probably going to repeat again this year. And that's kind of how fiscal cycles work, because a lot of liquidity returns at that time during summer months. The people, the hedge fund managers, people are not really doing too much investing, too much buying. They are honestly selling, reallocating funds, waiting for liquidity to come back during the other months where there's more volatility, there's more liquidity, and that's when there's usually more follow through. So that's probably what's going to happen. So we could, that is one scenario, after this strong bounce here, pull back. XRP had a strong double bottom and recovered very, very strongly, but we could keep chopping around. We might not get that expansive move, but if Bitcoin does break and hold above this level here, and we do have buyers showing up, and there's a lot of good news coming this week with a potential deal with China and the US, then we could keep pushing up further. But in that bullish scenario, I think we might push up maybe to 120 in the near short term if we do get this follow through. And also definitely going to follow. But personally, what I think is going to happen, and I might be wrong about that, is that we get a small little pullback, maybe to like 105, 106 for Bitcoin, and altcoins are probably going to have some type of small little pullback again. And I'm going to be buying again on the next dip and longing as well, and looking to trade the next move up. That's personally what I think is likely and what's probably going to happen. I don't think we're just going to reject here. There's a lot of very bullish things that are taking place that is going to be driving crypto cryptos up further. So that's personally what I think. So I sold everything, made a lot of money, and I'm going to be buying the dip. I'm just looking for a dip to buy here. Whatever dip presents itself, I will be letting you guys know, especially in the Patreon early, when I'm buying and when I'm selling. You guys will get full buy and sell alerts from me in the Patreon. And I also let you know when I buy the dip on my videos. So make sure you guys are subscribed with notifications on. But another thing, guys, make sure you are using ALGOSNIPER. This indicator gave us a buy alert. Look at this for Bitcoin at the very bottom. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. And look, you get a sell alert before a big crash. So this is going to help you to actually secure your profits and your gains and growing your account like the people in my group. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. If you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you guys are trading over on Bluefin. This is where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. And you guys can trade all the new meme coins and all the new coins here early. I highly recommend that you guys trade over here. This is a platform where you're going to have the cheapest fees, and they're also giving away a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link below. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.